Hey business owners, I wanted to shoot a quick video here today. I just got done with this tax plan that's on my computer screen for a client of ours that we work with. And I wanted to kind of share this story with you guys about, how what situation this client was in and kind of what happened and how we got here. The client came to me, he had a business, and every year the business keeps on growing, and so does his taxes. So he came to me with his returns and told me that he's been working with his preparers for the past few years. These are the returns, and every year the tax bill just keeps on growing, and growing. And so I looked at his situation, I evaluated the scope. I told him definitely there are opportunities in his case, and we started working together. And by the time I was done with finding every single deductions and every single laws that he qualifies for and his business qualifies for, his first year savings, and I'm just reading this off this tax plan, is $82,581, right? And his savings every year going forward will be $35,584. Now, he had a very unique situation because of which his first year savings are so high, but still going forward every year, he's still going to save about $35,000. And an average client that we end up working with saves about $14,000 to $15,000 and above. So, why am I sharing this story with you? Well, the reason I'm sharing this story is don't just accept your tax bill. Like if you were to shop for a vendor in your business, for a product, for a service, you would not just, accept a fee that is being quoted to you by a vendor, right? So why are you accepting a tax bill that is just being told to you that this is where your tax bill is? Now, I'm not saying that, you should not pay your fair share of taxes. What I'm saying is most likely you're working with a tax preparer, right? And you need to ask these questions to your tax preparer or whoever it is that you're working with, that, what are we doing to further save taxes? And if that professional is not able to prove it out to you, like I am doing right now with their tax plan, like I have strategies listed, I have the deductions that are going to be in there based on these strategies, I have how much tax savings are going to be possible in his case, and so forth. If they're not truly mapping that out with you on a piece of paper and all they're saying is, yes, I'm doing tax planning, I got you covered, we've been working together for the last 10 years, well, all of those is baloney in my opinion. What can you prove it out to someone? Can you list that as a proper tax planning advice and show them how you're bringing value to the table? Prove it out to them, help them implement these strategies and so forth. So I highly encourage you, not to just accept, whether you end up working with me or someone else, don't just accept a tax bill simply because it's being presented to you. You want to make sure you're working with a competent professional that is evaluating all of these different things, sitting down with you, evaluating things quarter after quarter, is being proactive. And you would know precisely if the professional you're working with is proactive or not. That should not be a secret. So if you're not getting any of these items that I just mentioned, you're not getting a concrete tax plan, listing out the strategies, listing out the changes in the tax laws that qualify for you and your business, and the savings that is possible in your case, I'm pretty sure you're leaving money on the table. And if you want a second opinion, if you want a customized tax assessment for you and your business, no obligation to you, that will estimate how much I think the savings are possible in your case. We'll only know the final savings once we start working together, once I finish the project. But if you want an estimate, no obligation to you, go ahead and click on the link below this video and schedule a day and time that works for you. And if you end up working with me, great. If not, that's totally okay too. At least you will know how much tax savings were possible in your case and how much have you been leaving on the table and what you precisely can do to fix this going forward. Once again, thanks for watching this, and go ahead and click on this link below and schedule a day and time, and I look forward to seeing you on the call. Thanks.